Setting up your Dura-Whelp whelping box. Affix the floor to the walls. Lay out the floor. Square up the walls on the floor. Remove the protective covers on adhesive Velcro patches along one side of the floor. Hold the side up, firmly pressing the adhesive into the wall. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 sides. Insert, affix, and screw the puppy rails. With Velcro patches facing the wall, insert a plain cut rail through the wall. Repeat this process for the remaining plain cut rail. Remove the protective covering on one of the groove cut rails. Place it on the plain cut rails, sliding it firmly against the wall. Holding the groove firmly, drive the provided screw through both rails, making sure to secure them tightly together. Repeat this process for the remaining rail. Remove all remaining protective covers and press firmly into the wall. Insert your door panel into the grooves provided on both sides of the door opening.